welcome back to my channel. Haydyn, what are we doing today?
I'm doing my makeup and you're doing yours.
We're doing a tutorial on how to do our own makeups. Let's get started. So first, I'm going to be using the Moerke equalizer, a primer. Now what are you using?
This.
The MAC foundation.
Yes.
Is it your color? So I'm just putting my primer all over my face.
I don't put that on.
I'm letting it sit. So next, I'm taking my Moerke foundation in shade F2.20.
I don't know what shade mine is.
And then I'm also mixing that with my Fenty foundation in the shade 290. And then I'm gonna take my Moerke sponge.
Don't know where this is from either.
That's a Moerke sponge. And I'm just gonna put it all over my face.
Victoria, it's all over my hands.
It's okay.
You're probably not supposed to dab it on.
Yeah, you are.
Oh, I thought you were supposed to rub it.
No. After I put foundation all over my face, I get my Y6 brush by Moerke, which is no longer available, but they have a similar brush. I don't know the name of it. And I just put it down my neck so it matches.
Oh, I know what I do next. I put powder on.
Make sure you go to your ears.
I'm going to be using this wood brush. I use it for like everything.
So after I'm done blending to my neck, I'm using the Moerke concealer in the shade C165.
I don't really know why you use powder, but I use it.
So you set your face. Then I'm going to take my Moerke sponge again. Just blend it out. So next I'm going to take the same concealer and conceal on my forehead and down the nose and my chin. Just going to blend that out. My Fit Me Loose Powder, finishing powder by Maybelline. And then I'm going to be setting that concealer with my powder.
So I'm going to be using this one. You can see it.
What is it?
Bronzer.
So you're basically just going to set everywhere you put your
Oh, and by the way, the sun is right here, if you can see it, if you zoom in.
And then I normally like to set, because I haven't put anything on my eyes, I just like to put powder so that it's not oily. So next I'm going to also be bronzing. This is what I normally do. So I'm going to take my Moerke palette. It's the AL palettes. And I'm going to be taking this shade right here and bronzing. So I normally like to just go from my ear down.
Do you bronze right here?
Yeah, down here.
Oh, my mom's a makeup artist, and I learned my skills from her. I don't have a very good highlighter, but it still works good. It's the Wet n Wild Mega. It's a highlighter. That's all I can say.
So then next, what I normally do is after I'm done bronzing my cheeks, I normally just go
Oh, you
up
bronze right there?
to my forehead all the way around.
Let me bronze right there. 'Cause I didn't get that.
All the way around so that when I have my hair in a ponytail, it doesn't look weird. So then I keep going around. Make sure it stays even. You see it?
Yeah. It's right here. Oh, this is what it looks like in the inside. It's a sponge with like liquid highlighter and
Ooh, that highlight. And then I'm going to take my M433 brush from Morphe, and I'm going to use this to contour my nose. Then I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder again and just bake.
this is what it looks like with the cover on it. And
I'm going to bake
without.
cheeks. I'm going to be baking my cheeks and my nose. Normally after I'm done baking while it's sitting, I like to do my eyebrows, which I'm using the NYX eyebrow pencil, which is only sold at Ulta in the shade brown.
Ooh, it's like highlighter in one. Blush and highlighter.
So I normally just like to line out my eyebrows first.
I have the 120 color palette eyeshadow from BH, I don't know,
BH Cosmetics.
BH Cosmetics. We have this one, which is like popping colors.
Rainbow colors.
Yeah, rainbow. And then they have the boring colors.
This side's always harder for me to do my eyebrows.
For my eyebrows, I am going to be using this one.
So after I'm done filling out my eyebrows like this, then I'm going to conceal my eyebrows. So I'm going to be using the Morphe concealer, the one I was using earlier, and my M705 brush to carve out my eyebrows.
On fleek.
So after I normally carve out the bottom, I use my Morphe R32 brush, and I just like to blend out. And those are my eyebrows. So after I'm normally done with my eyebrows, I normally like to take this brush. It's the G5, it's really good. And I like to wipe away all the powder by baking that I was doing. I normally like to take back my bronzing palette from Morphe, the AL palette, and I like to take this shade right here, and I like to take my Y6 brush and just pat this down. I normally like to grab my Moerke setting spray and spray myself because the powder's melted into me, so I don't look really powdery and dry. So after I do that,
do I do it?
Let it sit there. You want some? Sure. 1, 2, 3. Okay, there. So after that's done setting, I will do blush next. So I'll do blush next, which I'm going to be using the 8W by Moerke. And I'll be using Witty, MUA, and Beat mixed together normally. And I'll just put some of that on my cheeks.
Okay, so I am using the palette I use for my eyebrows, but this time I'm using the top. And I like to do a basic color first, so I can get the other colors. And the color I'm using first is, let me get my brush. That's not what it's called, but it's this very first color, and it's white. I'm putting that on my eye first.
As a base?
Yes. Because usually mommy puts a base first.
So once my blush is pretty pop, so next I normally do highlights.
I'm already past all those stages.
And then I'm going to be taking my N501 by Moerke. It's my highlight brush. And I'm going to be using the James Charles palette for my highlight, which I normally take the shade Face from the palette.
Face, why would you name it that?
Which is this color right here. And I'll just take some on my brush. And then I normally spray it so that it has that wet effect. So I just spray it a little. Then I like to just let it sit and then tap it on.
Okay, so the next color, it's kind of a super light pink, like highlighter color, but I really like it. So it's this color, it's like, you can see it's a highlight, kind of. This one. It's like a super baby pink.
And then I highlight my nose.
Oh yeah.
So after I'm done highlighting with my James Charles palette, as you can tell, I normally take my Champagne Pop by Becca highlight.
Why is it called champagne?
Because it's the champagne color. And just go over that highlight that I just added. So after I'm done with highlight, I normally like to spray my face again because I am done. I just have to add mascara and lips. So,
Does she not put eyeshadow on?
no, I'm not putting eyeshadow on. So after that's done, then I am gonna grab, I use the Better Than Sex mascara. This is our finished looks.
This is my finished look. Hi guys, like and subscribe. Bye.